little update on the mini bike. Old handlebars.
This is when I take a break though.
Okay.
To get these valve springs out, I know there's these weird little clips that are in there. And I'm gonna just see how someone else does it. Real quick. Are you recording me?
I'm recording, yeah. Go-kart motor. Go-kart cage. Yeah, it does look like it's about to rain. Snapped. Motor from mini bike.
You mean go-kart?
I mean, it's gonna be for the go-kart now. Someone bought the wrong parts. Only the parts for this engine and not the Hemi. Right, that's a Hemi motor.
The one on the mini bike, yeah.
Yeah. And this is a non-Hemi.
Mm-hmm.
And you bought parts for a Hemi.
No, I bought parts for it now.
Oh, non-Hemi, yeah. Crappy phone holder works. Quick little update here. What's going on? Crankshaft is gonna be changed on here. I don't know what the thing in here called. The one that replaces this and this. It's this one thing instead of two of them that go together. Yeah. Valve springs gonna be changed. I don't know what the part that sits in there supposed to give it more gas. Carburetor. Yes, me. This will be going on the go-kart. Yep. It's a quick little update. Oh, by the way, when I was younger, like 6 or 7 or something like that, yeah, I had a quad. May not know that. Yeah. Here's the rest of it over here, actually. Not that. That's a transmission from the car. That's that motor for the quad, and then this, the quad frame. Just absolutely just done for. This is, yeah. It's destroyed. It's definitely not supposed to be like this. Yeah, it's just a tiny little thing, and yep. Get for here. Oh, that's a quick little update. Should be done by tomorrow for the go-kart. Then make a video. So, peace.